Slang number 13. The word is
Pisseirriterende.
It means really annoying. In Danish, this slang is used to express strong irritation. For example,
Han bare pisseirriterende I dag.
That means, he's just really annoying today. It's a common slang Danes use in casual speech to express frustration. So, the next time someone frustrates you in Denmark, you now know how to say it like a local. Slang number 14. The word is
Sjus.
It means mixed drink. In Danish, this slang refers to a drink that combines alcohol and a mixer, like soda or juice. For example,
Jeg tager lige en sjus mere.
That means, I'll just have one more mixed drink. It's a casual and common term Danes use when out drinking or socializing. So now, if someone offers you a sjus at a party, you'll know exactly what they mean. Slang number 15. The word is
Knaldgod.
It means awesome. In Danish, this word is used to describe something that was really good or amazing. For example,
Det var en knaldgod koncert I går.
That means, that was an awesome concert yesterday. Now you know how to sound excited like a Dane. Slang number 16. The phrase is
Gider ikke.
It means, don't feel like it, or can't be bothered. In Danish, this phrase is commonly used when you're not in the mood to do something. For example,
Jeg gider ikke lave lektier lige nu.
That means, I don't feel like doing homework right now. Now you know how to say no, the Danish way. Slang number 17. The word is
Lorte.
It means shitty, a prefix used to describe something bad or annoying. In Danish, it's commonly used to strongly express frustration. For example,
Det var en lorte idé.
That means, that was a shitty idea. Use it carefully, it's casual but strong. Slang number 17. The word is
Lorte.
It means shitty, a prefix used to describe something bad or annoying. In Danish, it's commonly used to strongly express frustration. For example,
Det var en lorte idé.
That means, that was a shitty idea. Use it carefully, it's casual but strong. Slang number 18. The word is
Nederen.
It means lame or bummer. In Danish, this slang is used to express disappointment or that something is not cool. For example,
Ej, det vildt nederen.
That means, ugh, that's super lame. A common word Danes use casually when things don't go their way. Slang number 19. The word is
Hygge.
It means cozy atmosphere. In Danish, it refers to a warm, comfortable, and pleasant feeling, often shared with others. Danish meaning,
Behagelig og hyggelig stemning. Herrens eksempel. Vi skal have en hyggelig aften derhjemme.
That means, we're going to have a cozy evening at home. Hygge is a big part of Danish culture and everyday life. Now you can use it like a local. Slang number 19. The word is
Hygge.
It means cozy atmosphere. In Danish, it refers to a warm, comfortable, and pleasant feeling, often shared with others. Danish meaning,
Behagelig og hyggelig stemning. Herrens eksempel. Vi skal have en hyggelig aften derhjemme.
That means, we're going to have a cozy evening at home. Hugo is a big part of Danish culture and everyday life. Now you can use it like a local. Slang number 20. The word is
Lækker.
It means delicious or attractive. In Danish, this slang can describe food or people. For example,
Den kage er lækker.
That means, that cake is delicious. A common word you'll hear all the time in Denmark, whether you're at a bakery or on a date. Slang number 21. The word is
Skål.
It means, cheers. In Danish, it's used when raising a glass for a toast. For example,
Skål. Lad os fejre det.
That means, cheers. Let's celebrate. If you're ever at a party in Denmark, don't forget to say
Skål.
Slang number 22. The word is
Klaphat.
It means, idiot or fool. In Danish, Klaphat is used to call someone silly or foolish, often in a funny way. For example,
Han er en rigtig klaphat.
That means, he's a real idiot. Just be careful where you use it, it can be insulting or playful depending on the context. Slang number 23. The phrase is
Gå amok.
It means, to go crazy or lose control. This slang is used when someone reacts wildly or very emotionally. For example,
De gik amok, da de hørte nyheden.
That means, they went crazy when they heard the news. It's a strong expression often used when people are extremely excited or angry. Slang number 24. The word is
Træls.
It means, annoying or boring. Træls is a very common word in Denmark, especially in Jutland, to describe something frustrating or unpleasant. For example,
Det er virkelig træls, når det regner.
That means, it's really annoying when it rains. Use it when something gets on your nerves, like bad weather or delays. Slang number 25. The word is
Smadder.
The word Smadder is used in Danish to mean very or a lot. It's a casual intensifier often used to express strong emphasis. It's similar to words in English like super, really, or crazy, depending on the context. Now let's look at an example.
Jeg har smadret travlt.
That means, I'm very busy.